Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are safe. Welcome to Apna Course channel. You are watching Apna Course channel. In this video, we will discuss about some important tips and techniques for IELTS listening. All the tips and techniques are very useful. All the tips and techniques are tried and tested, so it will be very helpful for you. Without wasting the time, let's jump into this unique workshop. One viewer asked me one question: is IELTS listening is easy? Then I answer, yes, of course, with Apna Course channel. This workshop is divided into 3 parts. In the first part, we will see before the exam start, then we will see during the listening test what to do, and then we will see after listening exam. Let us look into first part of this workshop. During this workshop, before the exam start, you all have to check your headphone. You can easily adjust the headphone sound. Please check the headphone setting very carefully. In each section, you will get extra time to read the question before the audio starts. Utilize this time in very helpful. Read the question that will help you to find the answer when the audio starts. Go through the question set. Then read and follow the given instruction very carefully, because many candidates do not read the given instruction. That's why they are losing their bank in the actual IELTS test. So be the mind this point very carefully. Find what specific information is required, such as name, city name, noun, pronoun, and number, date, and so on. Let us jump into the second part of this workshop. This workshop is during the listening test, what to do and what not to do. So first of all, question follow the same sequence of talk as well as conversation, but the information may be expressed different from the question. Look at the keyword to choose the correct answer. Make sure you choose a correct keyword. Keyword means noun, pronoun, some words, vocabularies, and anything. Then identify the correct pronunciation to avoid spelling error, because many candidates make spelling error due to the mispronunciation. Then do not make a grammatical error such as spelling, singular, plurals, and so on. Be aware in MCQ type question. All the MCQs are same, but choose the correct one. Right answer within the word limit, because word limit matters a lot. Then after listening exam, you have to transfer your answer from question paper to the answer sheet. Do not rush in transferring your answer into the answer sheet. Write answer in correct orders. Make sure you transfer your answer correctly. Make sure you are writing correct answer in the given question. Do not jumble the order of answer while transferring the answer into the answer sheet. Always do proofreading and double check your answer to get good band in the listening. If you might have missed any answer of any question, then make an assumption. As we all know, there is no negative marking criteria in the IELTS exam. Do not leave any blank answer. Always give the answer. Focus on grammar, punctuation, and word limit. Grammar matters a lot. Hey guys, we will catch you up in the next one. We will design a lot of unique content video for you guys. It is a totally animated, so you can learn easily. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button